Hi children, nice to meet you again. The last lesson what we did was we did final decimals and recurring decimals. Today we are continuing again on decimals. We are going on to addition and subtraction of decimals. Now the lesson that we studied was we studied half is equal to 0.5. I have to memorize this. 1/4 is equal to 0.25. Then 3/4 is equal to 0.75. You must write this in your formula book and memorize this. We will be needing this later on. Okay, then what about recurring decimal? 1/3 we wrote as 0.33 recurring, like that. This is recurring. So then 1/9. I told you there is a rule about 1/9. 0.1 recurring. When 9 is there, immediately you can say that 1 is recurring there, 1/9. So these are about recurring decimals that we studied. Today we are going to study about addition and subtraction of decimals. For example, we have a sum like this, 7.6, 0.0. We have to add 7.6 plus 0.312. We have to add this number. Always you must write the numbers one under the other and add when you are adding decimals. Otherwise you can make a mistake. Now in addition of fractions we studied that there is a rule. What is the rule? What is the rule? The rule is we should make the denominators equal. Addition and subtraction. We must do that, otherwise we can't add fractions. But multiplication and division is difficult. Multiplication we cancel. So addition and subtraction, there is a rule to follow. What is the rule to follow in fractions? You have to make the denominators equal. Same way there is a rule to follow in decimals addition. What we should do is we must write the decimal number exactly one under the other, like this. Yeah? When you are adding. And after the decimal, we can put any one of these zeros we can put there after the decimal. It won't carry any meaning. So now add 2, 1, 7, 9, 7. So the answer here is 7.912. What is the rule we followed? We have to put the decimal one under the other. We will take another example. 3.4 plus 15. 3.4 plus 15, we have to add. So 3.4 we write. Now many children are confused how to write 15 because they don't remember that there is a decimal here at the end. 15 is a whole number. Whole number has a decimal at the end. So where to write the decimal? So in addition, the decimal must come one and the other. So we have to write the 15 here and the decimal there. And after the decimal we can put a 0. So right now 5381. So answer here is 18.4. So you have to be very careful because 15 is a whole number. We will take another equation, another sum. 7.004, 0.36 plus 0.368. Look, 7.004, 0.368. So we have to just add 8 and 4, 12, 1 over 7, 3, 7. The answer is 7.372. So these are all that you have to notice about addition, children. You have to see that decimal is one under the other. Now we will go on to subtraction. Okay, we will take a sum. 3.84, take away 2.56. Here also we have to see that addition subtraction, we have to see that decimals come one under the other. So 3.84 take away 2.56. So 14 take away 6, 8. 7 taken by 2, decimal, 1. So answer is 1.28. We'll take another sum. Look at this one. 11.4 minus 9.73. So 11.4 9.73. Okay. Now in this particular case, I have noticed many children are not quite clear how to subtract this. They just put the 3 here. 3, then 14 take around 7. But it's wrong. What you have to do is you must imagine that there is a 0 here, because always after the decimal you can write any amount of zeros. So here 0, now only you have the 0 take away 3, can't borrow 10 take away 3 is 7. So here 3, 16. Yeah, 10 take away 1. And always better to check this, how you have to add from the bottom. 7 and 3, 10, 1 over. 7 and 7, 14, 1 over 2, 11. So the answer here is 9.73. We'll take another one. 0.5 take away 0.236. So 0.5, 0.236. So here again we have 5 here, but we have to put zeros here. Many children, what the mistake that they do is they write the 6 here and 3 here and 5 equal to 3 like wrong. So here you have to borrow 1 from here, 10 take 6, 4. Then 9 take 3, 6. 4 take 2, 2. And 0. The answer is 0.264. One more sum we will do. Look at this. 15 take away 10.92. 15 take away 10.92. So 15 where the decimal for 15, it is 15 point. And 10.92. So here you have to put a 0 and a 0. So 10 take away to 8, 9 take away 0, 4. You can add from what 8 and to 10, 1 over, 10, 1 over, 5, 1. So the answer is 4.08. So these are the types of subtraction sums that you get, children. What you do is you have to go on doing sums as much as possible from the textbook and check the answer, and you can show the book to your teacher or somebody at home and get as much practice as possible. So these are for today, children. I hope you have liked the lesson, and please subscribe.